Morning, everybody. We are looking at an empty bay next to the shipping desk, and I have noticed that over time a bunch of things have sort of begun to park themselves here organically, and it's good to watch for patterns like that. Oftentimes they're born of convenience and efficiency. So we're going to mark up this floor with some fast tape, fast edge more specifically, and get this all nice and organized so that the things that have been living here will be formalized and with an easy reach of where they need to be. Right next to our lean coat hanger solution, remember that? We'll check back in.
The whole thing of changing the fucking deposit amount. That makes no sense. Like, why would you want so much less? Hi.
Alex, man! Alright, here we go. Got a tool chest, got a tackle cart, which we use for unloading trucks, and a cleaning cart. Look at that. Bickety bam. This is going to save us a little bit of time every day, knowing where things are. Everything goes back here at night. Lean.